Hi, this is Joshua and you're now watching Daddy Mobile. Today I'll be doing something different than I usually do, which is unboxings and tech reviews and all this stuff. So today I'll be doing a minor makeover of my studio room. This is the room that I do all the video recordings and the video editing. So what I'm gonna do today here is I'll be changing my existing tiles. This is the tile that comes with this house. So I'll be replacing it to this wood texture vinyl on the floor here, and this is the wood texture that I've been dreaming to have in my room. So finally I've been doing some quick research, and this is the best and the cheapest option for me to change all this. Besides that, I'll be doing some quick tweakings and makeover on my computer setup. My computer tables are now quite small, and I've actually changed to a 32-inch AOC monitor, and they actually took up some space. So I'll be doing combining two 120 cm tables into a long spacious tables, and I'll be showing you guys later on this. So let's get started. So this is the tile that I got from Shopee. For information, this is not a sponsored post, and these tiles cost me a box that has 36 pieces of this that can cover 54 square feet. Cost me 71 ringgit excluding shipping. And yeah, the thing that I will need is of course the vinyl stickers, blade, measure tape, and also the L-shaped steel rulers. We call it rulers here. I'm not sure what you call it in your country. So let's get started. First, you need to remove wherever things that you can remove to somewhere else. Then I will be starting at that point, then towards to this part. So this is the table that I'm talking about. I got two tables here, and you can see there's one is red color and one is white color. So I'll be merging them together, and I'll be laminating the table with the same wine stickers onto this. As you can see here, these wine stickers already have pre-affixed glue, where you don't need to apply any additional glue before you stick onto the floor. So this is a plus point to have, and it's very easy. So the installation are quite simple. First, you just need to put the first wine stickers on top here. Then the second one, I will not be placing it like this together. It will look kind of weird. So what I'm going to do here is I will be cutting this into half. As you can see here, the length of this wine sticker is only 3 feet, so I need a 1.5. 1.5 is actually here. So I'll be doing a cutting using the blade. Cutting is very simple, just need to, that's it. And the rest are just paper where you need to cut it. Okay, so the next one I'll be just putting it here, and followed by another one here. So I think you get what I mean. Because of the nature of the PVCs is very flexible, we can cut according to any shape that we want, as long as we have the correct measurement. This is the modification of two tables combined to one. So you can see here, I have a joint here, and then all the feet are put in the middle to support the weight on the center. And I'll be laminating all this on top of it, so it will be one color. So this is the end result after I laminated the entire floor with the wood textures PVC vinyls. And as you can see here, the tables is very long now. It's because I combined two tables into one. The existing tables is the IKEA 120 cm linen tables, and I have also laminated the surface of the tables with the same flooring materials, which is scratch resistance and also water resistant. So on the back of the tables is a 2 meters RGB LED strip. My PC is here. I won't be going through much on what's the hardware that I have right now, because I'll be doing another video very soon. I'll be doing a room tour to show you guys what's the rigs that I use for video editing, and also what's the equipment that I use for video recordings. So do consider to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are new here, and hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. And follow us on social medias, Facebook and Instagram. If you find this video interesting, do give us a thumbs up. And that's all for now. My name is Joshua Wong. Thank you for watching. Signing off.